That I would be good, even if I did nothing. That I would be good, even if I've got the thumbs down. That I would be good, if I got and stayed sick. That I would be good, even if I gained 10 pounds. That I would be, even if I went bankrupt. Ahí entran todos. I would be good, if I lost my head and my youth. That I would be good, if I was no longer gray. That I would be grand.